Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your internet bedroom trend using Spotify or Apple Music. So this is currently trending on TikTok where you can see your bedroom on the internet based on your music taste. So here what you need to do is open your browser and then just type in this address madonfirst.com. This one you can see make your internet bedroom. So you can just hit on enter, and now here you can choose between Spotify and Apple Music. So by using this web, you can find out your internet bedroom looks like based on your music taste. Click on Spotify. So after you click on Spotify, the Madon first will analyzing your music taste and designing your room based on that. Here, this is what it will look like, and you can see there will be the song in the background. If you want to play, you can just tap it, or if you want to mute it, you can also tap it, this speaker icon. Here you can also customize it again. If you don't like it, you can click on this customize and then choose or select the item that you want to customize right here, for example, and you can change it with another item. Okay, I'm going to change it with camera. You can close again, and now you can tap on save and share. Click on save image or save result with friends, and you can upload it to your TikTok or Instagram. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.